Hello, I'm Scott McGregor, Director of Food and Beverage at South Seas Resort. Welcome to Harborside. Harborside has been a beloved staple at South Seas Resort since 1961. With the exciting opportunity to renovate and reimagine Harborside, we transformed it into a comfortable yet contemporary venue. We take pride in sourcing the best local ingredients. With our unique location on the Gulf, we have the ability to select from the best and freshest seafood. Our new Italian chop house-inspired menu highlights the exceptional seafood from the Gulf and premium cuts of prime beef. We also incorporated timeless Italian classics that offer something for everyone to enjoy. We do have the patio, and then we have the fire pit area as well. And this is where you were able to see all the Manatee family. The really cool benefit of coming here in your boat and docking up and paying the Club Captiva fees, you have access to all of our restaurants as well. After a 30-year career in hospitality, I still wake up every day excited to create memorable moments for our resort guests. Some of my fondest childhood memories are of those special dinners where we dressed up and I ordered a Roy Rogers or a Shirley Temple to feel like a grown-up at the table. What stayed with me most from those experiences is the connection, the laughter, and the joy of sharing a meal together. And we hope every guest leaves our table already looking forward to their next visit.